explain to everyone what they are actually doing. So we have a presentation by Dr. Halima today. Every week we get an opportunity, one person gets an opportunity to speak of their business at length. And I would like to introduce Dr. Halima as a distinguished educational leader, esteemed coach, seasoned, trained and prolific author boasting 3 decades of rich experience. Throughout her illustrious career, she has mentored a remarkable 35,000 individuals, sharing her insights and wisdom. With 4 authored books under her belt, including the acclaimed Make Them Happy, Make Them Great, and Leadership and Influence, Dr. Sadia has solidified her reputation as a thought leader in her field. Driven by insatiable thirst for knowledge and diverse experiences, Dr. Sadia has traversed the globe, visiting 20 countries in pursuit of enlightenment. Her professional journey has led to work in 4 different countries, enriching her understanding of global perspectives and cultural nuances. Currently, Dr. Sadia serves as a visionary founder of EduFam International Academy, a beacon of guidance for individuals, professionals, business owners, and aspiring entrepreneurs on their paths to success. Her commitment to nurturing talent and fostering growth is evident in her tireless efforts to empower others. In her personal life, Dr. Sadia is a proud mother of 2 sons, Amar Jilani and Hamad Jilani, both thriving in their endeavors and settled in Singapore. Dr. Sadia's dedication to her family, coupled with her passion for learning and service, exemplifies her holistic approach to life. And I now call upon Dr. Sadia to present her business. Thank you.
Good morning, Galaxy.
Good morning.
Wood are lovely, dark and deep. I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep. Oh, this is Robert Frost's promise, not mine.
The postman.
My promise is, I have promises to keep and motivate millions before I sleep. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Halima Sadia, Director of EduFam Training Services. And today, I am here not to speak about my company because action speaks louder than words. So here, Galaxy is considered as one of the most happiest chapter. So I am going to take small endeavor to bring happiness, joy, and satisfaction in all of you, those who are present here. So please tell me, did you receive a page that has 3 circles?
Yes.
Can you show me those circles? Yes. Don't use those circles. Just turn your page. And there is a blank side. Please write on that blank side whatever is bothering you in your life right now, from the smallest thing like having toothache or headache or thinking that what this lady is going to do with me or with us, and from there to Ukraine war and Israel and Palestine conflicts, everything, whatever is bothering you. Please start writing. You have a minute time for this, and minimum 30 you have to write. Because it's not possible that you don't have, yes, 30 concerns that is bothering you. Yes, in 30 seconds. Sir has made it 30 seconds. Yes, come on. You can do in the pair also. If alone you feel that it is difficult, you please take the help of your partner. 30 concerns. Yes, anything about you, about your family, about your siblings, about your company, about your business, about your spouse, about your friends. Yes. Yes, about your company, business, not doing well, about this country, about your hometown. Anything that is bothering you, don't say that nothing is bothering you. The human mind is the collector of negativity first, and then it goes to the positive. Yes? Yes, has to be. Yes, please, come on. You can discuss and you can write. Yes, come on. Yes, Reena. Yes, thank you very much. Anything and everything that is bothering you, please. Yes, Raju, thank you, very good, wonderful, I can see. Yes, come on. You know, we are human beings and we are concerned about the global issues, the country issues, the family issues, the relatives issues, the BNA issues, all the issues we are concerned about, our personal issues, our girlfriend issues, boyfriend issues, whatever issues you have. Yes.
No girlfriend issue.
Are you married?
No girlfriend issue.
Achha, okay, no.
Girlfriend is the issue.
Yes, only 3? You are the luckiest person in the world.
3 for both of us.
For both of us, only 3? Wow,
There is a
wonderful.
pact.
Yes.
There are pact.
Yeah, if in the morning you had something on the road, the traffic, maybe your neighbor, maybe the children of neighbor who are always ringing your bells and that's bothering you. Or maybe that changing norms and rules every second day in the country. Yeah, increase of rent. Yeah, such a wonderful idea he has given. And you know, electricity bill, water bill. Yes, how these things are bothering us?
You ask
Different.
for it.
I mean, like,
Achha, yes, if you have to take money from someone.
receivables.
Yes, correct.
You are right.
You got a quiet now.
Yes. That's really wonderful.
You said that and I wrote rent. It was not even in my mind.
Okay, time up. My dear friends, now this is the time to turn your page. Yes? And now, in the inner circle, that is circle number 3, you just write those concerns that was written here, out of these concerns that you immediately can solve yourself. Yes, that can be solved by you. Please write those concerns, like if you have toothache, you can go to the doctor and take medicine. So please write those things that you can do yourself.
On which circle?
At the end of the circle.
Yes?
On third circle, I can.
Yes, on third circle. On third circle, you please write those things that you can do yourself. Yes, please. Reena, what have you written inside?
I'm not having time to play with my dog.
Yes. Wonderful. She doesn't have time to play with dogs. She can do. She can have the time management. It's in her hand. Beautiful. Now in the outer circle, like the circle 1. The circle 1. Please write all those that are the global concern that you cannot do anything about that. In the outer circle, please write those that you cannot do anything about that. Like?
At number 1.
Yes, on number 1. Please write those things that you cannot do anything about that, like selling your product to the customer, after convincing, telling everything, negotiating, bargaining, giving the lowest price, but still you cannot force him, or you cannot go into his mind and make his mind to buy your product. That is out of your control, isn't it? So please write those things into the outer circle that you cannot do about that. And then whatever is left, please write in the middle circle. Yes. So please write in the middle circle.
No, this one, the one.
Now,
in circle 1.
the most important thing is, the inner circle is called the circle of control. The things that we can do, that is inner circle, circle of control. The middle circle is circle of influence, where we have limited control. And the outer circle is called the circle of concern. And our attitude towards this circle should be the circle of concern we have to accept as it is. And instead of bothering about that, we have to just focus about the inner circle. Let's expand our inner circle. That is today's takeaway. Let's focus on our circle of control and let's try to live with circle of concern, because they will be there. Instead of focusing on that, we have to focus on our strength, our areas where we can have the full control and we can expand our thoughts, our deeds, our time management, our skill management, our talent management, all these things. So ladies and gentlemen, it was a very little example of what we do in our training programs. So thank you very much. We do corporate trainings, we do leadership trainings, we do one-to-one coaching, and we do soft skill trainings as well. Thank you very much. Take care and